Guys, this Friday is Good Friday, so you can join us from 12 noon in Bilston Town Centre, outside the Greggs, for our Churches Together meeting, where we're going to worship God. We're going to do some community outreach together. It's going to be a great time sharing the good news about Jesus. And we're going to be handing out these cream eggs. You're probably wondering why I have a whole box of them. We'll be handing them out. And we also want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have donated these eggs. We have had loads. Dan's office is stacked with cream eggs, and surprisingly, he's not eaten any. But this is great, so make sure you join us for that 12 noon outside Greggs in Bilston. But don't forget, at 7 p.m. in the evening, we'll be doing our communion service here at Excel Church, so you can join us for that as well in the evening. So there's 2 services on Friday. We'd love to see you there. This Saturday is our Easter walk, so why don't you join us over at Cannock Chase Park at 10:30 in the morning to have a nice little walk there. If you remember last year, I got lost on the walk, so this year, don't get lost, okay guys? Like, just stick together and you'll be fine. But it's going to be a lovely walk around there. You can get your own transport there and meet there at 10:30, or if you want to get on the minibus that will be going from Excel Church, then just book in online. There's only a few spaces available though, so you've got to do that quick. But it's going to be a lovely time. It's Birches Valley car park that you're heading to. So head there on Saturday for 10:30. We'll see you there for a nice walk.
And it won't let me go. I got this Holy Ghost.
Guys, the Easter holiday's finally here. Who's ready for a holiday, kids? Woo! So you've got a break from school, which is great, but there's also a break from activities here. I know that's sad, but we'll be back later, so don't worry about it. So that means that Noah's Ark Stay and Play is on a break, G-Force is on a break, and also 180 Youth is on a little bit of a break as well. But we'll all be coming back soon enough after the Easter holidays. So have a great holiday, guys, and we'll see you when we're back.
Can you feel it? He's moving. He is moving. It's the power of the Lord. It's the power of the Lord.
So don't forget that there's prayer and Bible study this Wednesday at 7:30, so make sure you join us for that. And next Sunday is our Easter Sunday service, so you can join us at 11 a.m. Please do note that next Sunday in the evening, there's no evening service because we're going to be celebrating in the morning. So join us for Easter Sunday next week. It'll be great to see you there. Have a great week, guys.